Cranberries and how to cook them. This is a 1930s Eatmor Cranberries brand little cookbook. And today we are going to make Cranberry Orange Relish. There they show them in these little orange cups. 4 cups of Eatmor Cranberries is about a pound. 2 oranges, 2 cups of sugar. You grind the cranberries and the orange with the peel. No seeds. You take the seeds out. I just cut them in wedges and then I run them through my grinder with the large grinding plate. I used to use this universal grinder to grind my cranberries and relish for the relish, but through the years this has worn, so it's loose, and then all the juices seem to back out and go on the floor. So now I use my KitchenAid. Start out by grinding a pound of cranberries. The packages I found at the store were only about 12 ounces, so I'm just going to use them all. And periodically I'm going to put in one of these orange wedges to go through also. Cranberries have been washed and picked over. Bowl underneath the heater bar thing because it doesn't disengage. And when I was watching a YouTube video years ago with Shotgun Red, he said that he would leave this here so you don't accidentally get snared with your sleeve or something in that heater bar that's going around. And I thought that was excellent advice. Now we're done grinding. Next we add our sugar. And this is 2 cups of sugar. This looks like quite a bit, but my daughter loves this fresh cranberry orange relish, and the only time you get the fresh cranberries is at the holiday season. So I will take any excess and I'll put them in these straight-sided half-pint jars and put them in the freezer, on the freezer shelf. And then when my daughter wants some orange relish, she just comes and gets a jar. Now here I have a cranberry orange relish for dinner tomorrow. And then I have 4 half pints to put in the freezer. You can use jars. The freezer jars are the ones with straight sides. You don't want a shoulder on your jar. And there, when cranberries are no longer in season, we can still enjoy some of our fresh cranberry orange relish. Into the freezer they go.